Hello, my name is Adam Kopeć. For over a decade, I have been helping people use Excel and Power Query more efficiently through trainings, videos, and books. I believe that data should work for you, not against you. That is why I wrote a book about Power Query published by BPB. This book is a practical guide to cleaning and transforming data without wasting hours on repetitive tasks. Inside you will find step-by-step techniques to import, merge, group and transform your data, alongside with clear introduction to the M language that powers Power Query, so you can focus on analysis and presenting results. Each chapter is filled with practical examples that you can apply directly in your own work. If you want to make your work with data in Excel faster and more reliable, this book is the perfect place to start.